Hey guys, this is Airsoft Child. I'll zoom you out. Yep, there we go. And today we're going to do some window shooting with this, my BAM B4. It's a .22 caliber air rifle. It's supposedly 6 foot-pounds apart, and it's got a 3 to 9 by 32 variable zoom scope on it. So we've got a couple of targets outside. It's really windy today and it's raining, so that's why we're inside. I'll zoom you in for a couple shots, then zoom you out for a couple. That target's about 20 meters away, and obviously we're elevated as well, so we'll try and make the best of this. I'll try not to get in the way of the camera. So like I said, .22 caliber, 6 foot-pounds. And we got this telescopic sight on. So there's a black dot right in the centre of my soggy target. I'm going to go for that. We're below about 2.5 inches. You can see that? Don't know if you can see that. So I'll take another shot and I'll just adjust. That sounds weird. But I'll just adjust by aiming 2.5 inches high. And what do you know? It shoots 2.5 inches high. Mother fire trucker. Alright. I guess I'll just aim dead on. I did originally think that I had it sighted dead on before. I don't know why that pellet just dropped low. And that one's dropped low as well. It's just like a void in time. Motherfucker. Alright, I'll aim a bit high again. And we're about 1 inch in the 2 o'clock position. And we're down low again. So I'll zoom you out and you can just have a look at the rifle. So the way you load it is you've got the lever under here. That's why it's called an under-lever air rifle. The breech opens. Take your slug and put your pellet in the chamber. Don't know if you can see it in there. Then put the lever back up, clip it back into place, and you're ready. There's no safety on this, so you do have to be quite careful. That was low again, about 2.5 inches. I'm using some pretty cheap pellets. I've got the tin lid up here. Pointed Spitfires by SMK, Sports Marketing. A bit high. We'll let you have a look down the sight here. So I'll take you off the stand. This is always difficult. It's always very awkward. But we will persevere. We'll zoom you all the way out. To rest my thumb on the buttstock of the rifle so I can actually give you a steady view. Mother fire trucker. Well, we definitely hit it. And that's just a little look at this. My BAM B4 air rifle. So I will see you guys later, and you're sure to see much more of this. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye bye.